How to contact Old Navy credit card customer service. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to contact Old Navy credit card customer service. So you can basically do so by simply heading over to any of your favorite browser and simply searching for contact Old Navy credit card, and it will appear over at the first option, that is our first link. So just tap on this contact us option, and once you tap on the first link over here, you can basically scroll down and find or learn about the ways that you can contact their customer service. So first option is obviously you can call their call toll free number from over here, and if you have a hearing impairments you can also dial in using 711 for relay services. And if you want to chat, you can start a chat using the icon in the bottom right corner of the page that you are visiting, just like this, as you can see on the screen over here. And you can also do regular chat, which are available daily from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. Eastern. And you can also call toll-free number if you are from inside the US. And you can also perform a regular call hours daily from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. ET. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.